Okay. So today what we're going to do is we are going to find the area and perimeter of a rectangle, right? So we're going to start off with these.
Yes.
Can you tell me, for rectangle 1, can you count the inside squares of this rectangle?
$29.
29?
Yes.
Okay, let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22,
23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28.
28. So write 28 on the side. Now, can you count the squares around the rectangle?
Yes. $48.
48, let's try it. We're going to count the ones around it, just around, okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 26. So we have 26. So write 26 on this side. Good. So do you know what we just did there? Why we have two different numbers and why we counted the inside and then the outside?
Because it was perimeter and area?
Yes, right. So when doing perimeter, we count around the rectangle or around the shape. But in this, for today, we're only going to be doing rectangles, okay?
Okay.
And so for areas, you count the inside.
Okay.
Okay? Let's try this one again. So we have our second rectangle. Let's go ahead and count the inside, which is the area. We're going to find out the area.
$65.
Awesome job. So that takes kind of a long time, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Okay. Maybe there's a shorter way. Do you think so?
I don't know. I tried using multiplication, but I can't go that high.
You're right, but you can use multiplication. So let's try it here. So in order to do multiplication, you need to know the long side and the wide side, right?
Yeah.
So let's figure out the long side first.
Okay.
How many are here? How many squares?
On this room?
Yes, this side.
4.
So write a 4 right here.
I can't.
Uh-oh. Here. You can write it with this marker. Good. And now let's count on this side. How many are right here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Good. So another way to find out the area is by multiplying. This is your length and this is your width. So you would multiply 17 times 4. Now, if you want to do perimeter, you're going to go all the way around and you would add all of them because this side would be 4 and this side would be 17 as well. Okay?
And instead of multiplying, you would have to add them all together.
You would add them all around.
And then two numbers would have to be doubled.
Exactly. Good job. So, do you know what these are?
Unit cubes?
Yeah, base 10 or unit cubes or base 10 cubes. So these are pretty much like this, right? We can use these to fill up the insides of rectangles to find out the areas and perimeters. So what we're going to do today is we are doing what?
I'm finding the area and perimeter of rectangles.
Of rectangles, right. So we're going to do an activity. So these are larger versions of these base 10 cubes, or these unit cubes. What we're going to do is we're going to walk over there and we're going to fill in, which is filling in is our what?
Our area.
Good. We're going to fill in the large rectangles on the floor and see how many of these we need. Okay? All right, let's head on over there. Okay. So let's try to do this one first. Here you go.
Okay, that one.
Yeah, let's go ahead and fill it in. Awesome. So how many did we use?
6.
6. Good job. So what's another way of us finding the area?
We could just make a row and a column and multiply those two.
Exactly. We can multiply how much? We can multiply, we need to find the length. So the length would be how many? 1,
2, 3.
3, and then we would do the width by
2.
2. So it's 3 times 2 is what?
6.
Good. So now let's find the perimeter. Where would the perimeter be?
The outside of the ring.
Good.
Okay.
So let's do that so far. We don't have enough, but we can always add more.
Okay, so that would be. So that's 4 on this side. It'll also be 4 on that side.
4 on that side. 4 and 4.
3 and 3.
We're missing one here, don't forget.
Yeah. So that's 4 and 4.
Is what?
4 plus 4 is 8. 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 plus 8 is 12.
6 plus 8 is 12. And that would be what?
That would be the perimeter.
Perimeter. Awesome job, because we're going around. Do you want to try this one now?
Yes.
All right, let's try it. Let's find the area. Good. Awesome. So we might not have enough base 10s or these squares, but we can already solve the what?
The area.
The area, right, because we have our length and we have our width. So what would that be?
So it would be 3 times 4. And 3 times 4 equals 12.
12. Good. And what if we're trying to find the perimeter, which goes around it?
We would take one side of add all of the squares that are around
All the sides. Can we do that now? How many squares are on this side? 1.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means it would be 5 on that side.
5 and 5 are 10.
And then 4 plus 4 is 8. And then 10 plus 8 is 18.
Awesome job. Let's go back to our desk now.
Hello.
So you did really good. So now I'm going to go ahead and give you a rectangle. And I'm going to give you the length and width. And this is to close out our lesson for today.
Okay.
I'm going to give you 2 rectangles, okay? Can you find me the area and the perimeter of both of these?
Okay. Yes.
Awesome job.
Okay.
So our first one, you said the perimeter was 8 times 3, and you got 24.
The area.
I'm sorry, the area. Good job. Thanks for correcting me.
Yeah.
So now let's check out the perimeter. You said 19, so let's try adding. So 8 and 8 is what?
16.
So 16, and now we have to add 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21.
22.
So it's not 19, but it's what?
22.
Good job. Write that in. Good job correcting yourself. Awesome. So now let's do our second rectangle. You said the area was multiplying length times what? So 10 times 2 is 20.
Yes.
Awesome. And now for perimeter, you added all of the sides around, and you got 24, which is 10 plus 10 is 20.
20.
Plus 2 is
2 plus
20.
2 is 4.
20 plus 2 is 22, and then 22 plus another 2 is 24. Awesome job. And that is it. Say bye.